We're in Christchurch, New Zealand. I'm tired, hungover, but now we're gonna go to Antarctica for the next 3 hours here at the International Antarctic Sea. This appears to be a very immersive experience. It's so immersive that they told you to bring a jacket. So, don't know what to expect. Apparently there's huskies. We're gonna get to feed some penguins. And this will probably the closest we will get to going to Antarctica. So let's go in. Oh, that is legit. That's what these things are called. They're called Hägglunds. Do we get to drive it, you think? Or we just get to sit
ride in
inside?
it, probably.
We get to sit in it. I have to use the toilet though. I should go in.
To be always by your side. If you wanted to, only think of you. Tell him that you're never gonna leave him. Tell him that you're always gonna love him. Tell him.
Alright, let's go inside. I'm scared of mannequins. Is he not a real person? Let's crawl into the infinity mirror.
It's crazy.
Wow. This is not the place to be if you're hungover. I want to get out of here. Oh, I caught one. Look, I caught it. You threw my fish. You're so mean. And then you laugh at me after. I present her my gift. This is what Tashi repays me.
Your foolish pride. Tell him that you're never gonna leave him. Tell him that you're always gonna love him. Tell him, tell him, tell him, tell him right now.
-2 degrees. Stick your hand in this cold water. Let's see if we could do this. 1 minute. My hands in the cold, icy water. Oh God, I don't know how Wim Hof does this. 30 seconds. Go to my happy place. I'm starting to feel those pins and needles. 20 more seconds. Oh my God, this is painful. I just want to pet the huskies. 2, 1.
What time are we coming in today?
It's freaking cold. All right, let's go pet some huskies. And then some yellow snow. Hey boy. So cute.
So they don't feel cold on the snow
Oh really?
because their fur is really thick.
They're just eating the
And
snow.
now they start feeling cold, so
Yeah.
they kind of
It looks like they have the hiccups. Or they're like, they keep twitching.
Yeah, a little bit.
No, that'd be right. That'd be right.
There you go. It's like we're back in Canada. It's end of November right now. I'm sure Canada doesn't feel too far off from this. Let's go look at the 2 little pups. Yeah, she went right up to me. Can I take you home? You my friend. No,
You're gonna get cold!
don't eat the snow. Don't eat the snow. -8 degrees. It's actually warmer in here. This is the storm simulation. They recommended we zip up our jackets. The winds, they are a brewing. Why pay money for this when we can just go back to Montreal? This is a typical winter. Can't feel my hands. Of course, only the 2 Canadians stick around.
Like, oh, my nostrils are sticking together a bit. Yeah, that feels, I remember that.
Feels like home, baby. Feels just like home. get out of this storm. Let's go. Woo!
Well done.
That was just a typical Canadian day.
I felt like I was standing outside waiting for the bus in the winter. Remind you of home.
Yeah, thank you.
We're doing a 4D movie shortly.
Oh, cool.
So straight access on your right hand side.
Thank you.
Come on in.
Alright, here we go. 4D theater. One of those moving seat deals. First three rows. I guess front and center. Wait, this is real, right? See, as soon as I approached the seats, I saw they were wet, so I knew that we were gonna get soaked. All right, we're gonna hop in the Haglund now. They're parked and ready for us.
And I'm here with Terenzi, who's one of our best Haglund drivers.
Cool.
How are you all?
Watch your head.
All right. Head left. Oh, here we go. It's a short trip to the dairy. Let's see, I've ever been to Haglund before. Comfy. Grab a headset.
Oh, we won't be able to hear you.
Yeah, I was just gonna say.
I know something about love. Gotta want it bad. If that guy's got into your blood, go out and get him. If you want him to be the very part of you, make you want to breathe. Here's the thing to do. Tell him that you're never gonna leave him. Tell him that you're always gonna love him. Tell him, tell him, tell him, tell him right now. I know something about love. Gotta show it and make him see the moon up above. Out and get it.
Here we go. We're right on top of the mountain, everybody.
Right, James?
Right, I'm ready. Holding on tight. Hold on tightly.
How are you all doing? Good?
Yep, good.
Put your hands up in the air, everybody. Hands up in the air.
If you want it to be always by your side, if you want him to only think of you, tell him that you're never gonna leave him.
Thank you, everybody.
Oh,
Thank you.
thank you. That was fun.
Now, just careful, everybody.
Okay.
Good.
Yeah, thank you very much.
Where
was-
did that come?
Canada. Yeah.
So originally, 10 siblings, 5 boys, 5 girls in the family. All
Yeah.
5 boys planned.
All right. Well, it's nice meeting you.
Very nice to meet you.
Thank you.
Yeah. Very cool.
Taking a week.
All these guys
Taking a week
get taken away.
from all that snow.
Yeah, it's all the snow he ate.
Come on in. Sit good.
Tell him, tell him, tell him, tell him right now. Ever since the world began, it's been that way for men and women. Were created to make love their destiny. Then why should true love be so complicated? Oh yeah, I know something about love.
So there you have it. That was the International Antarctic Cinta. I think it was worth the money, especially since we saved money on a book me. We got to pet some huskies, we got to ride in the Haglund, and our driver was a Sherpa that had summited Everest. Saw some penguins get their feet on.
And I got a really good coffee cafe.
No, I do not recommend doing the 4D theater experience when you're hungover like I was. Had to close my eyes several times until the nausea passed. But now I'm hungry, so let's go get some mackerel.